How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm in my garage. I'm not working on any cars, but I had a delivery come in which I wanted to share with you. I apologize in advance for any background noise you might hear of lawnmowers or weed whackers. My neighbors' gardeners are here and they're doing their thing, and obviously I try to wait it out, and it's been an hour still going at it, so yeah. But before I get into that, if you do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Definitely would appreciate it. Also follow our links to the socials down below: Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So just had a delivery come in and dropped off. You can see it right over there, that giant pallet. Want to take a guess of what that might be? Sits about 7 feet high with some box on top. I have no idea what that is. And if you guessed wheels, you are correct. So I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing down the pallet and moving all the wheels into the garage, and then we'll kind of do an unboxing to show you what I have. Whew. Got all the wheels in, as you saw in the time lapse. They're all stacked, separated by sizing. So I have 19.8.5 plus 30s in here and 19.9.5 plus 35 here to make staggered sets. But let me go ahead and open up some of the wheels so you kind of see how everything is and what the wheels look like. All right, I have the boxes all opened up. If you're wondering why I have 6 wheels opened up instead of just 4, I wanted to show you the 19.8.5, which are these 4, and this is the 9.5. Again, the specs are 19.8.5 plus 30 and the 19.9.5 plus 35. The only difference is obviously this is a wider wheel, but these were originally blanks. So as you can see here, they were machined to a 5/114 bolt pattern, versus these came in the original powder coat finish. As you can see in the lug holes, they are silver. Honestly, you're really not going to notice it after you get lug nuts and everything on the car and mounted on the car. You're really not going to notice, but I wanted to show you anyways to be very clear and as transparent as I possibly could be. Now, these wheels are on sale. The wheels will be posted on our socials on how much they're going for and everything. And if you'd like to order a set, definitely hit me up right there at info@m2-motoring.com. So there's a couple sets here, total of 9 sets that I have. If these move pretty quick, probably may end up ordering more. Last time I did this sale, it went really fast. So hit me up. On to some December updates real quick. The Scion XB is running good. Went to SoCal and back, as you saw in the previous video. Running solid, still needs more maintenance, but everything's running really good. The main thing that still bugs me is the noise of the tires. There's Federals on there. It came with the wheels. Wheels was a hell of a deal. And then my stockies were kind of down about 40%. So I was like, why not? But looking to upgrade wheels soon. What am I upgrade to? Don't know yet, but we shall see. But I do want to go back down to 15s and get a much quieter tire. I think it'll make the car more enjoyable. On to SLK. This thing's been sitting, obviously. You can see there's a, I don't know if the camera's picking up, there's a coat of dust on it. It's been sitting since SEMA. Not much going on. I need to do something that's a little bit beyond my personal mechanical know-how. I broke something and Sean needs to help me fix it, but I just haven't had time to go over to Sean's, and Sean is now a proud father and I don't want to take too much of his time just yet. It's letting him enjoy his thing. So congratulations to Shar and Sean on your baby. And once he's a little more settled into a schedule, then I will take this over and film some of the maintenance. All the parts are just waiting right there. The TC's been sitting. I'm sure you can see from here, it's kind of brown. It's got a thick coat of dust. Do need to figure out the electrical issue. I did tinker with it a little bit. Obviously didn't film it. Can't figure out what it is. I've pretty much at my end. So going to ask Sean nicely if he can help me figure this out so we can get this car finished up. So close. I just haven't had the time, but my goal this winter / January is to get this thing done. So hold me accountable to it, and give me hell in the comments. S2000 is obviously still a parts rack and storage unit. I am no rush to finish this car. It's a big money pit, money burn. When we start this project, I will let you know, but I do have some pretty cool plans. It's just when I want them to materialize. But yeah, and as you could tell in the garage, there's more room than there was previously. After SEMA, I did spend a day cleaning up the garage. Things are gradually disappearing. The stacks of parts is getting less and less and less. So huge thank you to all our customers that have been buying everything and just helping me liquidate out this garage. Everything's for sale, obviously, minus this car and the S2 chassis. It'd be nice to sell, but I really don't want to. It's such a cool project that just needs to happen. But yeah, my goal is to get everything cleared out in this garage and have more and more space. I have a couple new projects that are kind of in the planning process, and we need to get that going. But I don't want to talk about it too much. I want to jinx myself and have it not happen. So rather just be quiet about it until it's time. I also forgot to mention I got a couple of days left on the Airlift Black Friday sale. I think it ends the 4th, which is in 3 or 4 days. By the time you see this video up, it's kind of like another day or two. So just through the weekend. Thank you so much to all our customers that have been ordering Airlift and all the other parts from us. This is my full-time business. Steve has a normal job, but you know, for me, it's a full-time gig, and this is how I support my bills and my family. So thank you so much for everybody for the support. Really do appreciate it. Again, if you're looking for parts, hit me up here, info@m2-motoring.com, or you can go to the website, m2motoring.com or m2-motoring.com. Also forgot to mention, I am fully stocked now again on 9th Gen Accord Garage Unique products, front lips, rear diffusers, and the rear spoiler. We had FL5 Type R front lip and rear spoilers come in. We're almost sold out on the front lip, which I want to thank all our customers. That was really cool. They started selling even before I got inventory. So that stuff's going out real soon. The warehouse is currently doing the inventory, and it'll start processing real soon. Full stock on rear spoilers, which is the OEM rear shelf that you replace, but it uses the OEM stands. Or sorry, the rear spoiler, the top piece replaces it's a carbon fiber replacement for the top piece of the wing and the end plates, and you still use the OEM stands. So if you're interested, definitely go check out the website, m2motoring.com, under Aero and then Garage Unique. You'll see the product there. Don't forget, we offer financing through Affirm and a SEMA. So if you're looking to finance your parts, definitely hit me up. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. Thank you for watching this quick update video and unboxing video. Definitely do appreciate it. Until next time, you guys take care. Have a happy holiday.